So you're looking for a bottom G PC build? No problem, Top G's your back. Let's start with the processor. We're going to use the i3-12100F, the price to performance budget king. For the motherboard, we're plugging in the B660M ProRes from Asurrock. It isn't the fanciest one, but will be good even if you want to upgrade your CPU in the future. For the RAM, we choose 16 gigs from Silicon Power, 1TB super fast SSD from Crucial to 3+. Finally, the GPU, the RX 650 XT. Literally the best price to performance GPU available in the market right now. In the end, the power supply, I personally advise not keeping out on this. That's why we went with the RM650X by Corsair. 650 watts are plenty for this build, which means you'll be able to keep it for a very long time. We're left with $100 for a case and a CPU cooler. A link to what I've chosen is in the comments, so make sure to check it out.